Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about others dominance, Ethereum BTC chart, and the BTC dominance. Let's dive in. All right, guys. Now looks like the beginning of some hype around the altcoins. I think this model is already broke and doesn't work anymore. So the money not rotating like from the money flow from BTC, after that to the Ethereum, after that to the large caps, to the altcoins. And take a look there. For example, Polkadot, ICP, the many tokens, large caps, which performed previous cycles, now underrated. Nobody care about that tokens anymore. So the money will not inflow in the tokens in the same way like in 2020, 2021. The world absolutely different. That's why be ready to fix some profit step by step, or mark your some exit plan for your tokens. And so I truly believe that October and November will be so bullish one for the all crypto market space. I guess we'll see some great news around some, maybe even some, like fake good rumors. Let's call it like this one. So we gotta like fought the bad news from nowhere. I guess the same way we will see some amazing just news about it. No, just the beginning. We go into the moon. This is just a mass adoption. The bull run just starts. So something like this one in media and from influencers. It's happening all the time, guys. So the plan for BTC dominance still relevant. So this is the altcoin season where I would like to see the drop here to test of the buy line on the weekly time frame. That time I share with you the buy line was in June 24 year ago. So that's the point of the indicators, guys. All lines are dynamic. That's why you have to track it by yourself on your time frame what you trade. For example, that time BTC dominance being at 55%, 16, and the buy line was like 33.46. Now it's no make sense to wait that target anymore. So this block I mark like a zone where most likely we will drop, and when we will see the top of the top for the altcoins, it will be the test of the buy line BTC dominance first take, and after that we'll bounce. It will be the end of cycle for the alts. The lines, guys, are dynamic. So for example, if the dynamic will be still the same, so for example by end of November, the line can be around 41%, 42%. Just in case, so I highly recommend you track it by yourself. It doesn't mean the BTC will go to zero or something bad will happen with the BTC. I not count these support lines for the BTC dominance, extended lines, right? So basically, we break this line. Previously, people count like this one. After that, they redraw it like this one. Can we bounce and go higher to 77? Yes, of course. It's possible, but I don't think so, because I don't think this cycle will be so extended in time to see something like this one. I don't know. It should be the 2026, full 2026, the bullish one. I don't see any reason. That's why most likely we will see some bounce. Let's say to 64. This is what I wish to see on a BTC, and crash it down. So around here, I wish to see the BTC at 139. Okay, and going down to the bottom. Maybe we go straight forward from these levels. Ethereum BTC, guys, absolutely everything still relevant. The same targets, guys, on the monthly. Unweighted these targets. So 0.06. 22, no, basically just the 2 months straightforward, we go higher. Also, guys, you remember I shared with you when we form something like impulse, right? At least we can test 0.5 level fee on the monthly, this one, and 61. So the lines are dynamic. So probably in I don't know, October, November, the buy take profit line on the monthly Ethereum BTC will be around 61 level by FIB, and around, I don't know, 0.059 and 66. So just mark these levels. Weekly time frame, I think we'll test like also in September, October, 0.052 and 80. After that, exit line, and this is going to be the end of altcoin season. Also, some alts will perform better. Some pump later, some will not pump. So just in case. Also take a look. This is a take profit for the others. Dominance. Others charts, guys, with capitalization. I highly recommend you go and check the main video. This chart I track, I don't know when I post it, I guess in some 23. I build the FIB, you know, like this one from the top in January 22. So that time the dominance on alts being so crazy. The Ripple hit the highs, you know, the many tokens after the, you know, the November 21 pump it so hard, right? And we pump it a little bit higher in January, in the middle of January, that the dominance pump it, and we crash it down. So here on market support, June 22, drop, bounce. Take a look at how I mark this FIB, you know, so this is a top, drop, bounce. We collapse it down inside 27 block, bounce it again, and now we crash it out of 27 zone. What's that mind-blowing for me personally? So if everything is algorithm, take a look how the minus 0.61 low of fee, 5.65% on others. It's exactly the low of December 2020. Just a mind-blowing. But I can't know, guys, in a moment if this fee correct or not. So the new high for others, it can be 24%, 85. That's it. Most negative scenario for others dominance, it's something like this one, 15.25, and going down to the bear market. Most positive case, it's this area. So when the other dominance will be around 14.25, 15.25, we need to double check the timing, what's going on around with the BTC, the sentiment, I don't know, what the Trump trash talk again, what it will be with the DXY, with the Ethereum, and take a decision. Are we going and fix the profit at all, or wait the higher price targets? So some like super cycle for the alts. Based on take profit, guys, indicator on the weekly time frame, we can identify. So the take profit line on the weekly now it's 13%, 36. Exit line is 15.10. Lines are dynamic, guys, so be careful. Monthly time frame, we test. Come on, almost test the buy line. This is what I don't like. I don't like we didn't test it. So anyway, the take profit line 1340, exit line 1513. So maybe the, you know, the 0.5 level fee will be the top for the alts. So just be careful, guys. I hope you like this video. If you'd like to trade with my customer request, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.